Hey fam, hope you guys are having a great day. Today we're taking a look at this eye massager. So I'm curious to see how well this performs. It shows it's got heat options, multiple different options. So for somebody that is always, comes with a little carrying pouch, you got your manual, someone who's always up staring at screens and stuff. And you guys probably can tell by looking at me, I'm pretty tired. Stuff like this can actually help. So this is what it looks like. And what's cool is from you guys, you don't see anything, but if you look, you can actually see through. So I'm trying to show you guys here. You can actually see through and see, so it's not completely black and blind for y'all. All right, so I can actually see. So I can see, you guys can't see my eyes, but I can see. Now we're going to adjust this. It's actually pretty nice. I like the strap. It's nice, has memory foam padding in there. Charge it underneath there. Alright, press and hold. Okay, so it does have audio, and it actually has music. That is interesting. Okay. Whoa, that feels so interesting. Let's try another mode here. Actually feels good. Okay, I can take a nap. I feel like I'm gonna fall asleep, guys. Okay. Wow. This is actually nice. I like this. Audio's nice. It has music playing. The heat's nice. Foldable. This is nice. I'm going to actually keep this by my desk.